Hey people, so this is just one of these chatty type videos because see, I do my Instagram and YouTube, and also now that's what I palmistry and tarot and all of it is another category, and angel healing. I call it pactin, as in palmistry, astrology, or angel healing. C is for crystal therapy, T is for tarot, and N is for numerology. So these five things I need to brush up on, and then of course my short story writing also has to happen. So I don't know, it can get a bit overwhelming, but we'll be able to do it. Yeah, and then that's what the whole thing of cooking, cleaning. So lots of energy required. So I'll just try and do that. So I was reading this book. Once I complete it, I will. It's called Nawazuddin Siddiqui, An Ordinary Life, a memoir. Once I finish reading it, I will make a video on it. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.